Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. Is that like a Superman here? No, we're not Superman. What we're going to do, we're going to show you how to patch cracks in your driveway. We showed you a method in another video where we used a trowel and where we had a lot of alligatoring and that sort of thing. And that's what we did to keep that sealed and together. But what do you do with regular cracks? Let's show you some regular cracks and show you one crack sealer you can get. We're going to use this one. You do have to cut the top off on an angle. All right, you mix it up a little, you get the stuff off the bottom, that's just great. But let me get you over where the cracks are, show you that, and show you how easy this stuff is to put on. But they tell you put it in and let it soak in, and what you get is you get this on the driveway. So I use a trick. Hey, everybody's got an extra paint stick around, so save some money, use a paint stick as a spreader, and I'll show you how that works. Let's get you over to a spot and we'll show you how you do it. One thing you want to make sure you do, clean your driveway first. All right, now it's been a couple days, but you can see the crack here. You can see this crack here. Let's get you real close to this crack. So you're real close to this crack. What we did was we cut this thing on an angle so we can take it like this and just come along like this and fill this crack up. If you got to squeeze the can a little where you got extra spots, don't worry about it, you can do that. And we'll just come along here and we'll fill this piece, okay? Here's where we're going to squeeze it a little. Probably have to come back to some of these, they're going to shrink in. There, you get an idea. Got a little, we can go this way. And what I like to do is just let this sit a little bit. I'm doing this on a nice cool day. So like you can see here, it gets time to flow in. We'll do somewhere you can't see me here while we wait for that to soak in a little. So once this is down like this, it looks nice. What I like to do is just take this and kind of trowel it, push it into the, I'm pushing it into the crack a little better here. And you just kind of do this. You get some little cracks, you can come down and do those as well. I just kind of work it like this. You can work this stick this way too if you want. But again, this is for small areas, not for those big areas we showed you with that other stuff. And we're just going to go like this. Now the matter will be to go do the rest of the drive. And you can see all of this, we're going to be here a little while. But we've got some cracks all over this driveway and we're going to work on them. We'll bring you back and show you what it looks like when we're done. So hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We appreciate you watching, and we also appreciate when you use the Amazon links below to shop. This project, you'll probably get your stuff local, but use an Amazon link below. Go shop. Even if you buy something else, it does help support the channel and bring you more videos like this. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. Now, before you go, let me show you what it looks like now. Let's take a walk. So here's what it looks like. You can see it kind of soaks down in the cracks a little bit. If you want to have it more full, what you really have to do is put a couple coats on. We're not going to put a couple coats on. We're going to leave it just like this. You can see what we did. We did kind of the whole driveway there, didn't we? But there you go. Looks nice. The cracks are sealed even if they're down a little bit. You kind of see what all this looks like. Hey, we'll catch you in the next video. Seal coat in the driveway is coming up next. Like and subscribe, post notifications on.